Let's go. Let's go. Whew. Dancing machine. Devin, that was a workout. That's how I get ready for the market every single morning. I'm glad you were able to see it, though. I don't think anyone else was on quick enough on stream to see me do that. That was kind of hot, no? My hair is wacko after that dance. Let's go. That was tiring. Okay. Did you have to turn off my machine? At the front.
What?
Did you have to turn off my machine at the front?
Oh, yeah.
That was freaking beep bopping again, huh? Beep bopping, the cop and cheap chopping. Yeah. Don't ever do that again. Sorry, guys. I'm just posting my going live. Who calling that shit? Who calling that shit? Mm-hmm. Insert link. Oh, gosh. They ask for so much. Brother, you stink. Twitch.tv AceOfTradesss. Perfecto.
Sure.
I just realized something. My Twitch is only 1S. Oh, it's 3. Oh, brother. Live now. What the? I clicked on trending. No, thank you. Still inside the chop, guys. Yeah, let me share my screen. I apologize. I apologize for making you cry. Girl, you look me in my eyes and promise you won't do me the same. Like that? Cause everyone works out, girl, I'm tired. With me, you. All right, we're posted. We're good. Good morning. Damn, he's bumping and grinding at 9:30. That's how I be. I blew 3 accounts last night with that long, the Asia trade. Boy, if you letting one trade blow your account, you goofy. You sized in too heavy. Okay. Both these finished. Drop down, let the whole world feel it. Yeah, they are. Look on the dot too. That's sexy, huh? That's impressive. I'm gonna. We got 50 people up in here. Jordan has 80. We are not the #1 stream no more. I quit. I quit. It would help if my co-host was in here with me. Jeez Louise, am I right, brother? Holy. Brother, you stink. Yeah, it was called a shower. Oh, we know. We smelt you. Because when you don't know, well, now you know. Wow. Nice break right here. We had a 2-minute close above, plus we just created the second candle leading into 9:30, which is that same structure that we were playing. Yeah, just come. They're gonna see you on stream. Say hi, stream. Just wave.
You don't want? Ace?
Huh?
You don't want?
No, thank you.
Okay.
I'm gonna run out of my pills, so I had to take gels. I didn't want to rob 6, so I took 4.
Oh.
All right, well. Whew. Nice little pop there. I want to take the long. I'm looking at structure. The next thing after this was literally the exact same trade from last night that I was looking at. Opens up at that 920, push through, and now we're getting that breakout. So, therefore, we have to watch out for those exact same levels. Those levels that were listed was 840 to 850. We're at 950. Goof ass Ace. Shut up. Am I right, brother? Brother, you stink. We're 100 points away from your... This guy needs to stop yapping and start playing. Am I right, guys? He's just done playing himself. Okay. So what we're looking at now, guys, is this structure from yesterday. So if you guys see right here, I get along. Jeez Louise. This guy's off his rocker today. I want to be over this pre-market low. Pre-market low. Previous month low. And our previous day value area high, which still brings us like 25 points. So I don't get a signal for 25 more points.
Yeah, I didn't get a signal for 100. So
oh my goodness.
it's been one of those weeks.
Yep. I feel you. Yo, Ram, look at this. Look at the days. He's on it every single one. Here I am once
Bro, there's
again.
a banner of us now.
Yeah, kind of cute, no?
Nah, it's terrible.
I know.
You should get rid of it.
These AIs of me make me look uglier than I actually
Dude,
am.
the
It's actually
AIs of you are so bad.
right? Like, why did I turn 15 times more Asian, but like they're confused about my ethnicity, so then they also turn me a little black? What is going on?
You just look like two different people. Dude, I had a
Yeah,
really good
they're
one
like,
today.
yo, we're gonna make
There was
him,
PDV
I
off,
guess,
the manipulation
Chinese,
and
but like
deviation
also
level
like let's
at
sprinkle some black.
18.9-ish area, and it just got absolutely destroyed.
Like, they racist, bro. AI, learn your
Didn't even get
countries. Am I
touched.
right, brother? You stink. Yeah, I've always got
Kinda
inflation,
sad.
but not that type. That's
Yeah.
some next level.
Wish something would go my way this week.
They really gave me fried rice and then said, give him jerk chicken. Silly ass goose. All right, there we guys go. 15-minute candle has now been printed. We are above currently, and we have our 50-minute orb. Those levels right here. Okay. Previous monthly low plus our previous week POC. Things to watch out for. As soon as we hit that previous day value area high. What?
Nobody can hear you in Discord, pal.
What do you mean?
Now we can.
Nothing
You
changed.
cut it.
Nothing.
No,
Literally nothing
No,
changed.
I was literally watching you talk on stream. Look at the chat. I'm
Anyways.
not the only one.
Look, I can't even alert that long anymore.
No,
I
you
hate
can't.
this
'Cause
life.
You missed it.
No, I did it. Literally, it's right here. It was right before this. Anyways,
Discord
I'm
missed
still
it.
entering. I'm still entering. I'm entering along. There you go. Give me that, baby. Give me that, baby. Give me that, baby. Nice. Who connection? Who connection? Who? 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 I don't want to do this. Who? You like that? Who? You like that? You like that?
Right, you're up like 20
Yeah.
minutes still.
Yeah. Not even. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah,
We're up 12.
Like what?
We're up 12. And our target is only 30s. 33. So. Ah! Trade your trade and trade it how you trade it. Otherwise, you drop down and let the whole world feel it.
Yeah, aces and longs. He's about to get stopped out.
Right now.
You like that?
Oh,
You like that?
that was easy.
You like that? I like that. Because if you like it, you like it. Bang. And stopped. Now we wait. See what happens, Vinny?
When you chase
Cat-
the long.
I didn't chase it. I was literally just trying to tell people. And then you are like, your audio. God.
It wasn't just me. And also,
Brother, you stink.
whoa, hold on.
But also, I still might enter right here again.
Oh my god.
No, for an actual longer term play. Let me grab. As long as she doesn't break under 915. 915 is my signal for shorts. Otherwise, I am long biased still. There we go. Nice pop. Here we are once again. We're backing along. Don't deny it, you're my friend. You say that you're the one. Up 17 points. Can
ATR
we
is
see this
literally
thing?
0.
Time to climb. We're at 20 points. Do you like that? Vinny,
So
can you
terrible.
say, like, holy, you're so good today? Like,
What do you mean, like with trading or singing?
in general, just like as a person.
No,
Like, acknowledge me, please.
I don't think I can
Oh my
say
God.
that with utter confidence.
So much for best friend, am I right?
I'm not even your best friend. Your best friend's in the room with you.
You right.
Like what?
You right.
This guy's literally gaslighting me. A D1 gaslighting is happening.
Yeah, I'm duh. How do you think I get through life?
Somebody in,
There we go.
Somebody in Discord chat said I always heard him, and High Five replied, "You must be special." That's
21 points,
crazy.
23. We are now at, there you go, 28. Move that SL up now. And move it to wherever you want, because I'm not your financial advisor. Do whatever you do, because I do what I do, and you got to do what you do. Let me see. Where'd you see that message? I don't see that message.
In Discord.
Not in our stage chat.
What are we talking about?
You calling me special? Who called me special?
Nobody called you, bro. This guy has the listening skills of a freaking.
This guy has
I
the
can't
listening
even say
skills of a, I swear, it's like a 2-year-old.
I was gonna say something worse than that, but we're on Twitch.
Anyways, let's grab attendance. We got 40 people in here. Vinny, what do you want? Guys, say Vinny if you guys are here. Don't say here, say Vinny.
He said, you faked him out. Hey, you're back up 20 points. Or close.
25, 26,
Boy, guys, in Twitch, when are we going to get this memo in Discord?
30.
And slap the next person that says one of the attendances in Discord. You guys are goofy for that.
I know. They should catch a mute for like the day for doing that.
Damn, that's a crazy tag.
You like that?
Yeah, that one's crazy.
That one's crazy, no?
Yeah.
What can I say? We back in business. 36 points, guys. We're almost at PT, dragging it all the way up now to make sure that we are good with our risk to reward as the play continues to develop. Ace, do you think that the bottom
is in? What do you think?
No. No, brother.
Not
no.
yet.
Not yet. Anyways, that is first PT, guys, and that is main PT. So good job. Our next level sits all the way at 72 points. So we are cruise controlling now. Good job. W's in the chat. First play went in a little bit early just because obviously I couldn't get that alert out to you guys. So most of you guys got stuck. But your boy hit up that play. We're now at 19K as well. Psych level plus previous day value area high, which also aligns with our 382 biggest point of potential reversal. So that's on that.
That's on me waiting for the 40 level. 35 points away. Maybe I can take something this week. Oh, yeah. Don't
Unemployment
forget about,
claims 222 for the forecasted 222.
Don't forget about home sales here in a few minutes.
Home sales at, yep, we got 5 minutes on the table for that.
Existing home sales. The report's actually already out too, which is funny. Forecast is oh no, it's not. 414 is the forecast, so it's gonna be a bearish projection. Interesting. I don't even know.
We're continuing to move here, guys, and sexy. Nice little 50-point play for today. What do you guys think? Not too shabby?
It's a good start.
Took a first loss of what, 13 points? Second, we get 50. That's some good R2R if you ask me.
Mid R2R. It's not even that cool of a play.
Mid R2R. Oh, sorry that the ATR is not at a trillion today, brother. Yo, I like how we're both wearing jerseys. That's what's
Dude,
up.
I actually went and came and looked at the stream and then coordinated my closet.
You're like, all right, if this guy's wearing a jersey, I am too.
Yeah, no.
Yo, should I give
like,
him free
actually.
feet? Nah, that's wild. That's wild.
Free feet.
We're
I
at
mean,
60
dude,
people today.
Dude, the
That's what's up.
ADHD sitting and stuff is so funny. We both have
You just
like
see
the
me
most,
hop around and shit.
We did the most random shit. Like I'm here like rubbing my face, and you're just like sitting up in a like
So I
squatted
actually
position.
ran out of my pills. Like I have to go get a re-up.
Perfect.
And Jill is on the same meds, but she has 10 milligrams. We use 60.
Oh, so you took 6 of Jill's?
So I didn't want to rob all her pills, so she's like, you can take 4. So yeah, I'm on 60 sauce.
Dude, 60 milligrams of that shit is insane. Dude.
And yeah, you guys should have seen me and Rams yesterday. We were was it yesterday?
No, it wasn't yesterday. It
Yeah,
was
that's all the
Monday.
time. No, there was one day where like I noticed how freaking bad we were. Like we're like, yo, we are yapping, and we were just going off, and I'm just like, we're both on our meds and off our rocker. So what is
Cut
going
out
on?
again. I can't hear you.
When is your next giveaway? I'm trying to win something. We got
Why
Jillian
are
in
you
the
cutting
chats.
out?
Everyone say hi. Hi, Jill. She's literally
can't hear you
2
again.
steps away. Unless she left already. Ace can't hear you. Brother. Vinny, can you hear me?
We cannot hear you.
He can't
I'm
hear
not-
me.
No.
I don't know. Can you hear me on Twitch? It's a Discord issue. We're literally about to hit
Yes.
PT2.
All right, good news. You guys can still hear him to help you give you an opinion on that play in Twitch. So go click that link, and then let me try to fix this.
Test, test, test. You guys hear me now?
Why? Nope. Nope.
They can only hear me on Twitch, so look what I put on screen.
Are you sharing the Twitch stream?
Oh my gosh.
Yo, we might be. Why can you hear me though? That's the thing. That's weird.
Testing, testing, testing.
Yeah, I can
It
hear
shows
you.
that
I
I'm.
can hear you. You're good.
It
you're good,
shows
you're
that
good.
I'm lighting up green.
Yeah, you're good. I can hear you now.
Yeah, now. Anyways, guys, I put it on screen, but that PT got hit for round 2. Last PT sits all the way at 116 points. Let's see if we can grab it. And then from there, we go into yesterday's levels, which is beauty, but lots of resistance there.
levels. My reversal
Yeah.
that I'm staring at.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking at. Straight reversal at those levels. There is massive sellers within this level, guys.
Okay.
So as we approach, be careful. Gorgeous, 89 points on stream. Sexy. Ooh, combination. Yo, honestly, I think that might be a clip right there where audio doesn't work, but we just typed it on screen and we're Gucci. Gucci belly. Guys, that
Gucci
is
flip-flops.
sexy. Come on. 95 points. Are you kidding me? But Vinny, I can't hear you too whenever it does that freeze.
Well, that's okay. Just know that I'm there in spirit.
Guys, when I freeze, so does Vinny, right? Like you guys can't hear him either. Can you
Yeah.
Can you guys confirm?
They made that clear. They were like, "We
Okay.
can't hear either of you, loser."
Yeah.
I was like, "Ah, just be
You
nice."
loser.
It's not
Yeah.
just Ace. We can't even hear you either. Not like we wanted to, anyways.
I know. Why are you guys dissing on Vinny? You guys have to show him some love.
Yeah,
He pulls up
I swear to God,
every
first
single
thing I
day
see
for
in the
you.
morning, first thing I see, I literally come in, look at the chat in Twitch, it's Vinny's holding you back anyways. Like, I don't
Like-
even do anything. I just sit here and talk. Like,
That's literally all he does.
yeah, like every time Ace has a play, it's like, okay, Ace is gonna talk now, but I just sit here.
Literally sits here, keeps me company. Instead of you guys having a VC full of noise, we switched over to stages. We be listening to you guys. That's all I know.
Some crazy behavior.
And there we go. We're back to the #1 stream. 86 people. We got
Yeah.
61 in Jordan and Adidas. And then we got Fuzz and Lady. Are they still in VC? Or is that a stage as well?
No, they're in a VC.
Okay.
Okay, I wanted.
Anyways, guys,
rejection.
100 points. Banger. W's in chat. W's in chat. W's in chat. On Twitch.
I'm waiting for my reversal play too, but I'm gonna be honest. There hasn't been a lot of stuff we've taken this week at all. Like actually.
Well,
nothing.
I'm gonna be honest too, and
I want it here.
I opened up FFFs again, and we're already halfway past off of that.
Oh, it's gotta come back right now. It's just too strong to the
Yo.
upside, my guy. My gosh. Why are you doing this? It's crazy. We have 3 different pieces of confluence in one place, and it just gets blown out of the water by a green candle. It's ridiculous. Like,
Now watch this.
so many frustrating things this week with nothing. It's not even frustrating like negative plays. It's just frustrating no money. Yo,
Yeah,
Benji,
no.
thanks for the Prime sub.
If you guys,
Dude, Jillian says, I miss you. And then there's just a line of W's behind the message. Oh, that's funny.
I don't know if she was talking to me.
No, she was definitely. She might have been talking to Benji. There's another man.
Benji's my boy.
Benji's your boy? That's probably the wrong Benji, love. You're probably thinking of a different
She
Benji.
said I'm talking to you. She said I'm talking to you. So it was you.
Oh,
Yeah,
I love
don't
you.
try to confuse me. Ace of Trades. Gosh, dude.
and we're
Come
about to
on.
head into potential reversal land.
I hope that
110 points for this morning, not too shabby.
the
And
reversal
guys,
land is
today
right
we
now.
are shouting out FFF. FFF in chat, guys. FFF. If you guys use code ACE. Hey, green in the room.
There we
Look
go.
at this, guys. We're production now. We are production.
Something's
We
happening.
just lit the room up with green. We are sitting nice and green for today's session.
Something's happening.
FFF in chat. If you guys click on that link, you guys can get 30 to 35% off right now. And we are doing a giveaway today. This giveaway will be for everyone. For everyone. Or, you know what? Let me talk to Vinny. Maybe we can give out another one.
By talk to Vinny, do you mean Vinny pays
I'm
for an
texting you right now.
account?
No.
He's like, let's talk to Vinny. All right, Vinny, need your payout. Let's see what he's got to say.
Thoughts, questions, concerns? Agree? Disagree?
I can't even see anything.
Check your DMs, brother. You
Yeah,
see.
yeah. Right now, that's already set up. It's set up. Yeah.
Vinny agrees. We're doing 2 giveaways now. 2 giveaways.
It's already set up. I'm waiting for this to confirm.
Giveaways.
Am I not confirming? We might just get no play again. So sad. It's such a sad day. That's true.
I mean, I'm pretty happy. Shit, all I see is green on my screen. I've been running on a 5-minute, just letting it run.
Yeah, you're cool.
Anyways, I split that play into 2, and now I am halfway past on all my FFFs, and I opened up even more TPTs just in case I fail those pros. Just in case Ace fails those pros, we wanted backups because that cost for the reset on TPT is madness. I think we can all agree.
It is.
But at least
a
you
lot.
can reset a pro. Do you know what I mean? Like, at least they gave people that option instead of waiting another freaking, 5 days?
It's a fair price.
It
it's
is. I mean,
definitely
it is a fair price. But, like, it's still crazy. Anyways, guys, here it is as well. Put TPT in chat. We made 1,500 again. So we have 6 accounts all sitting at 1,500. I'm basically done after that singular play. 9K in prop money, not real money.
No reversal confirmation, by the way, fellas, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, how sexy is that? To all my people who trade futures, you guys know how sexy it is to land right at that consistency. Right at the 1,500. Like, are you kidding me? Tell me that's not sexy.
I'm kind of
And yeah, those are 50K accounts. If you guys use code ACE on TPT, you can get yourself a nice 30% as well. And no fees. Intraday drawdown, which sucks, but once you pass that, it turns to end of day and you get daily payouts.
Yo, Extender, thank you for the Prime sub, not tier 1. Prime sub, thank you.
From here, guys, I am not even going to drag this. I mean, we can, just for the people that are in it. We sit nice and high, so we're approaching our monthly value area high and our ADR high, which sits all the way at 160 to 180 points. I would no longer be in this trade. Like, I know I just passed the account, so I closed it, but like, I would not even be in this trade anymore. If I was, I would be dragging that SL super tight, because the risk is not worth the rest of that squeeze.
Yeah, we're still just waiting for it. It's getting weak consistently, weaker and weaker. So we're just trying to get something squeezed out here.
Yeah.
Waiting and waiting patiently. Unfortunately, it's past the level where I can take it, to be honest. So if anything happens here, it'll be out of my realm of expertise.
Did you trade this now? Or are you trading on it? No. I mean, if you want me to. Shit.
Yo, I don't think we should talk about that on stream.
What? Talk about what?
Nothing.
I just asked him if he traded Asia.
No, there's a little more. Nobody knows what I'm talking about, but I know what I'm talking about. That's
Yeah, no one knows. I know what you're talking about, but no one knows. 133 points, guys. No one understands.
Dude, that's crazy that we get no repair. I don't even understand.
Oh,
You can turn me up in Discord, Devin. You just right click my name and then turn me up. Pretty sure I'm normal volume in Discord. Ace, am I normal volume?
huh? Oh.
Ace, am I normal volume or no?
Yes, your normal volume. Huh?
Okay, you gotta turn me up,
Yeah.
Devin.
I have to turn you up. On what? I don't know why. Turn you up on what? Are you gonna answer me?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Bro, he was talking about I was quiet on Discord.
So why are you talking to me? Oh my god, this production
Dude,
stinks.
virus, thank you. Subscribe.
That's
And
not. It was Jillian.
Oh, Jillian. Gosh, Jillian, stop spending my fucking paycheck.
I'm literally gonna go tell her.
I am causing problems. No, you're not. He didn't understand what I was saying, to be honest. I don't think he had any clue what I was talking about, because he doesn't read chat like I do. I have it up on like the third screen. I think he has it on a screen he never looks at, so it's kind of irrelevant. Maybe I'll get my chart on the screen so I can show you guys what I was looking at if this stream manager actually was on top of what he was doing. He sucks at his job. He changes it instantly. All right, so what I was looking at was there was a 3-hour naked POC, point of control, and then a distribution stat map level here at this equilibrium level that I had. I boxed it this morning at about 7 a.m. I was waiting for a run into the level after we had some inducement right here. I was waiting for a run into the level, and then I was waiting for a change in state of delivery. We're probably going to get the reversal here, which is unfortunate because then I can't take it. It's not about being right. I know I'm going to be right in this position, especially when we've had a naked 3-hour POC for like a week at this price level. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. There's been a naked POC here. So I was waiting for that to get ran into and then a rejection of it. Unfortunately, not here, but maybe it will be later in the week. There really hasn't been a lot of plays that I've taken this week. I've taken 2 total plays all week. One on, let's see, what's today, Thursday, one on Tuesday, and one yesterday. The one on Tuesday I closed for $1,950, and the one yesterday I closed for negative $475. So those have been my 2 plays this week, and other than that I haven't seen anything. So I also trade he knows this, Ace knows this, I also trade at a different time than he does. I'm trading 7 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern because I'm weird. There's our reversal, Mr. Ace of Trades.
And I don't mean to flex, but as soon as it touched up into those levels, what did we say? We said it ain't worth the squeeze anymore.
No, it's not.
Make sure to keep those SLs.
You can tell just by those
tight.
wicks too. That's another thing that I really don't do is if we leave a wickless candle behind. So if there's no wicks, I will not take the position because there's still something that needs to be filled in that area before we start pushing the opposite direction. So that's a little random piece of advice. I don't know. You can do what you want, but that's
want a wick. You want a wick.
I like wicks because that means that price is moving properly.
I can do that for you.
Okay. Not informative, guys. On the opposite of informative. I'll play it. Hey, Ace. By the way,
giveaways at this point.
I forgot to text you and tell you this, but tomorrow we're gonna have to start stream a little early if that's okay with you.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, we might have to hit at 9 a.m. I have class at 10. So I'm gonna have to run a 9 to like 9:45, and then you're gonna have to be by yourself for the rest of it.
Hey.
So that right there would be that reversal confirmation. It's your change in state of delivery, and that's your bearish move.
I got you.
Downside. Is it for me? No, because it's
does she still want to continue along?
That's what I'm saying. Is it for me? No, because it's past my level. I want it at the level.
Yeah,
I don't want it
it's not for me either.
Below it. So I can't take it, like I said. But
the thing is, though, the range from right here to a potential test of the top is still 50 point squeeze. The thing is, you're gonna risk 20.
Is there any code for stock dads? Absolutely,
still
there
worth
is.
it.
There it is, right there. Dude, what was that snap down? What in the world? Stockdads.com/code ACE, or
he's asking for
you could do.
He's asking for a discount.
Yeah,
that's what he's asking for.
Yeah, there's a discount code. Use code.
Make it stream. Make it. Make it code stream. Vinny at checkout.
No, seriously, 20% off.
Does that
lifetime.
actually work?
Yeah, 20% off at lifetime. It's lifetime.
Oh, only lifetime though?
Only life? No, it's on everything. Like lifetime of your
I thought you meant like go.
20% off. Oh, yeah, no, you got to spend 10K to get a 20% off. No, yeah, code Vinny at checkout is the discount code. It's a great discount code. I also get.
Yeah, brother, you stink.
Nah, I'm gonna make a code stream after this, Ace, for you. By the way.
Dope.
Actually, we should work on that. I don't know why we didn't do that.
Yeah.
Why don't we do...
The whole world, Philip. Guys, look in chat.
I just DM'd you.
Check chat, guys.
Oh yeah, look at Twitch chat. If you're in Twitch. Ace, check your Discord.
Yeah, that would work for me.
Yeah, like a checkout. Why didn't we do that already? I don't know. Ed brain dead. I'm gonna set that up later today. Should have done that already. Big old confluence at this level. Look at this. Beautiful nothingness. We reclaimed some of that liquidity, that imbalance that we had, and now we're just gonna chill. Just gonna chill.
Probably see a breakdown from here, to be honest. We do have that previous indecision. That wick on the 5-minute though, man.
That's scary, dude. That's what I'm looking at
Not
too.
a fan of that.
I'm scared.
Sure, it was a nice big red, but that wick is not cute. I am not entering. There's no play for me right now.
Yeah, there's nothing for me either.
If anything, the long still have the squeeze. Is it still worth it? Not for me, but if you are a scalper, 1,000%. There's that opportunity for you.
It do be squeezing.
It do be squeezing.
Yeah, you could say like you're waiting for an inversion of the 1 minute imbalance if you wanted to take it, which failed again. If you're taking the long.
Hey, Chris, if you're in here, congrats.
Wait,
Absolutely why? Beauty. One of my students just got payouts.
Oh, huge. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Especially this week. Holy. At Ace of Trades, when will your mastermind start? That's a great question.
We have 0 plans as of right now to start one. I can get into contact with the team and we can see when. That way we can give you guys a more specific date. But if you guys use that link right there, if you guys scroll down, you guys will be able to see join the wait list, and you guys will get an email whenever it is decided when we do a mastermind. I'm not like these other influencers who are going to push 1,000 masterminds within the year to try to make the biggest bang for buck. Like, I don't make my money off of masterminds, guys. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort. I do it so that it creates the next generation of traders. I don't do it for the actual money itself. Is the money nice? And it's rewarding to know that, hey, you know what? These people are investing their time and their efforts into actually learning, 1,000%. But in terms of making money just to make money because that's the only route that I can take, like these other fake alerters, then yeah, that's not me. So I'm only like, I vouch to only do one a year. Like ever since I started in this space, then what? I've only ever ran 5 in my lifetime.
Yeah, I mean, that I can remember, and they've all been pretty personal.
Yeah. Super, super personal, super close. What I might start to do, so you guys will be the first ones to hear it. We have not announced this yet. It has been in talks already, and I'll probably be the trial run of Stock Dads. But if you guys were curious about what I am talking about, it is a small group setting. So we're only going to be taking very, very limited numbers and working with you guys one-on-one, as opposed to a lot larger of a group, even though they're not that large. Like my classes are only what, like 50 to 80, when 50 to people, 80, yeah, I've seen people touch 1,000 people all at once and just try to bang it out within a week and call that a mastermind. Like, I'm sorry, that ain't me. I want to make sure that you guys are getting the full scope of trading, and
nobody
it overwhelms a lot of people.
Nobody specifically.
Yeah.
Just in general.
Yeah. Touching 1,000 people. Hey, yo. That girl who touched 1,000 people. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like I said, guys, there is that squeeze off of that breakout. For the scalpers, good job. For the day traders, we're still sitting on hands. Like I said, I'm going to start waiting for a lot more of these larger moves for you guys. That way it's a lot easier to follow. Like that first trade, super followable. Like you can't tell me that it ran without you or anything. Like that was literally golden.
No, I 100%
Is it going to
agree.
be for both futures and options? Yes. So the thing is, my style of trading is applicable toward both instruments. I teach how I utilize options and then how to utilize that same strategy on futures. So it is both, if you guys were curious, because sometimes it's not always a futures market. Sometimes it's not always an options market. This right now is not an options market.
How much
So a
is
lot of
it?
people-
It's variable. Sorry to cut you off.
Yeah,
but,
it's very variable.
like, we do different stuff for different people. There's different tiers that then we do payment plans. Like, it's not even decided until like right up at
That
the time.
moment, yeah.
Yeah.
Especially if we're doing a smaller group where those people get love, like love.
Well, also,
love.
it's
Like,
not
we're
it's
talking
not
like-
an amount of money like that like Ace needs. It's like what is worth it for his time at that time. That's literally what it is.
right.
It's like what is
'Cause that's-
Ace doing that will counteract this? Does that make sense? Is that
No, that makes sense.
okay? Just making sure I'm not.
The way that I like to look at it is in terms of like, I would be all over that one-on-one with Ace. That's exactly what I was just about to say, Phoenix. Right? Is it's not just a group setting anymore. If we're running like 10 people, this is essentially a one-on-one. You guys have all the questions in the world to ask me if it's only 10 people. And we're literally sitting in the class and I'm literally holding your hand and we're walking through the meadows together. But yeah,
I mean,
that's on that.
personally, that's the move. That sounds like a good idea. I don't know. I don't know a lot of people who do that. Yeah, we don't blanket say like $3,000 come trade with Ace. Like,
Yeah,
it's
no.
not. That's not reasonable.
no.
And it's not.
And then
right.
I
Like,
finish in a
it's like-
week.
Yeah, it's like, dude, it's like we're gonna like give you guys value, potential. Like, we're gonna teach you guys like how to trade, what to do when you trade. Like, it's
Wow,
just
new
gonna
high
be-
of day. And it's
Yeah.
going into those levels that we were first targeting.
I'm also printing.
So ADR high and then your monthly value area high. But if it drops back underneath that standard deviation of orb, so we're looking at 19K80, then I'm actually going to look for shorts, especially if we reclaim back inside there.
I'm just gonna.
So that's my
kiss
level
you.
for shorts now, guys.
How about that?
Hi, BB. Hey, what is up? Jordan, bring your ass up, man. I know
Yeah,
you
I
guys are
got
done
him.
now. Bring your ass up.
I got him. Hold on. Oh. Oh.
Well, he can do it himself, too.
Yeah, he can do it.
Pretty
himself,
sure.
I think.
Yeah,
I don't really know.
I'm pretty sure traders can go up and down.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, just.
Yeah, you
just,
can.
Here, or you can request if you can't do it yourself. Wait, where are you? Name starts with an A.
Yeah. Arisabu.
Can't even find this boy. There he is. Invite. Come on up. Yo, yeah, we got you. What up?
Yo, Jordan. Guys, wait. Jordan, before you even speak, we got Jordan on stage, guys. And if you guys have not come across Jordan's stage yet, so he used to be on Zoom. He was hidden inside of the server. He is finally showing face inside of the Discord. And they are hitting numbers every single morning of like 100 people, 90 people, 80 people. Like,
Bro,
they're
also he's
killing
hitting
it.
numbers of like 5,000, 6,000. Like, he's not just hitting
Yeah.
numbers of people. He's hitting actual good trades repeatedly.
that day, when was it? Yesterday or on Monday? When I caught that long, the only long of the day. Same with Jordan. Jordan did too. I literally was having people telling me in chat, like, you and Jordan caught the exact same trade. I'm like, man, I love this guy. But yeah, if I'm never in Discord and you guys want someone to follow and just check their plays as confluence for yours, because we don't offer financial advice, you guys have to check out Jordan 1,000%. His stage is right below mine. And that's that. Jordan, say what's up to the people.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you too, man. I know we talked and like we did some troubleshooting on some stuff, but we've never actually spoke, which is crazy.
Oh, I know.
That's crazy.
Guys, there's been so many times where me and Jordan are messaging each other and we were trying so hard to get a stage or a VC of just us two, and it could never happen because we're just two goats that apparently need to be split up, that just can't eat on the same field.
Yeah, you got to get a once a month special like stream or something going 100%.
That'd be so dope.
Oh, man, I know you're talking about, I think, but you're not talking about Patrick Wheeland, are you? Yeah, I know who you're talking about, though. I think when you talk, oh man, was he
Ace of Trades.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Dude,
hey, you're not far from me, man. It takes one flight if you have your passport, Jordan.
Yeah, not the other way around. But...
Yeah, not the other way around. I can't come to you anymore, but like, hey, I'm accessible. Pardon? Yeah, I'm in Toronto. You're in New York, no? Yeah, you're not far at all. Nothing too crazy. Did you just say 3-hour flight? It's a 30-minute flight, brother. Yeah, it's like a 1-hour flight. Yeah, it's so close. Because to drive it is, I mean, well, it depends. New York City or upstate New York, right? Upstate New York, it only takes us an hour and a half. But if we're going to New York City to drive it takes like 8 to 10. Yeah. Oh, bro, you're basically just looking at New York 2.0.
Yeah, it's basically Drake Land.
That's literally all it is.
Drakelandia. That's what we call it.
Drakelandia. For real. Lear is now speaking. Who the heck brought Lear in here? Drop this guy down. No one was even talking. See, clearly you joined.
See, we gotta move. Yeah, this guy's gotta go.
Clearly you joined late, Lear. Brother, you stink. Did you server mute him?
No.
Oh.
He's driving. I think.
You're from Toronto? Yeah, I am from Toronto. It is beautiful. I think of it as like the clean New York. New York got garbage bags all up on the street, rats flying around. We're basically just the clean New York. That's literally how I put it. You got skyscrapers all over the place. Instead of the Empire, you got the CN Tower.
Yeah, probably right. Yeah, New York. I live in Brooklyn. I live in Williamsburg, so I don't deal with the Manhattan dirtiness.
Yeah, that's fair.
My area is most part, very clean, very gentrified. See, Williamsburg is for people who are not from New York, but we all come together in one area and we live there. We're like people that live in Manhattan, they're normally speaking from New York, generally speaking, like at scale. And then and yeah, it's normally you have that trash everywhere. But yeah, I'm like
dropping down to the 2 minutes. Sorry guys, real quick. Dropping down to a 2 minutes, seeing if we get a flip of red and go back under our ADR high. I want to see potential reversal within this space. So you guys saw that was my ultimate PT for that long that we caught. So it's at 180 points from initial entry. And then from this point on, will be targeting, if we can see a short, then that's another 50-point move to the downside to reclaim back into that previous structure. So whether if it tests that previous high, then we're still looking at 40-50 points regardless of the fact. So it's some good R to R, because then if it breaks, 65, that would be SL. Again, I'm waiting to see if we flip red or if we can get a nice buyer wick, because as of right now, bulls still have control and I am not touching that. Anyways,
There's
let's continue
nothing.
yapping.
Looking at shorts right now.
Looking at shorts, not in anything. We took that long this morning and I ended up finishing 6 props.
Ooh, chills.
Yeah.
What are your favorite?
Yo,
first?
Jordan, you would like this. You would like this. Jordan, I finished 2 of the accounts and the consistency is 50% with a 3K target. I finished it 1.5 on the dot. How sexy is that?
Of course you did.
That's so sexy, bro.
I go. This is Tradify or TPT?
No, so that one was on, that one was on TPT. I'm getting extra accounts in case I blow those pros and I don't want to pay the pro reset fee. And then I also got 4 FFFs because I haven't opened them up in a long time. But yeah, back on FFF, 4 accounts and halfway passed on those.
How do you like them? I've never used them yet.
They pay out, 0 issues at all. Clean team. I know obviously they had a bad rep with what happened with their previous owners. They're no longer in the picture and they're a smooth sailing business. Like everyone has been using them and has been getting their payouts. If they're due their payouts, if they've broken any rules, then obviously that's on them. But to be honest, reliable, and they've been in the space now for a few months. Like it's not like one of those where it's like crash and burn. Like they've been on the up and coming.
No, I've heard a lot about them. You know, from Jay Dunn.
Yeah.
I never use them. Right now, like top. I'm gonna start going back with Alpha and then MFF is looking at as well. So trying to keep
Who
it
are
simple.
you running right now? I know you're on Top Step Live still.
Yeah, top, and that's
Yo, you've been babying those accounts. You have never blown that account, hey?
Oh no, I have.
Oh, okay, fair.
Yeah. But no, I've been with.
Wait,
Top
Jordan, I have a question for you because I actually don't know.
Yeah, hit me.
Once you blow a live, you have to start back up at the XFAs?
No, see, and that was the whole thing. Like, long story short, I'm not gonna go through a rant, but I was trading options, obviously forever, blah blah blah, and then like everyone in my team was trading futures, but I only traded SPY and QQQ, and so I went to Vic, and it was Danny from Danny trades. It was me, Danny, Isaac, and then Michael Patek, the awesome CEO of Top Step. We all did like a conference in Vegas, and long story short, we was all like a panel, and he was like, "Yeah, man," like he like put me on the spot. He's like, "Why do you keep trading options?" I was like, "Oh, I'm just used to it, blah blah blah." So he gave out free 100Ks, and so he gave me like 2 of them. He's like, "Yo, just play around with it, see how you do with it." So I'm like, "All right, cool."
Right.
So play around with it, just on the third, and I just had like a really, you used to have use on fire, so like I had to really fun. And so I got those things funded, and then I started copy trading them. And so like I made like $15,000 on my 2 payouts because I would like get them to $6,000, and then I would draw half. And I kept, and so I got moved to live like super fast. And so like I'm excited. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm on live. And then I'm on live, and I didn't know that obviously they combined your XFAs into one live account. I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm like, damn, I went from like, making obviously double of my profits to, making obviously 50% of my total live account.
Right.
And so I was like trying to I was like asking people like, yo, what happens if you blow your account? Do you go back to XFA or do you start over like the whole process? People are like, oh no, I think you go back to XFA. I asked people, I'm gonna leave them unnamed, but they're like, oh no, I think you go back to XFA. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I ended up blowing the account, thought I went back to XFA, didn't, had to restart the process. So yeah, to answer your question is no, you do not get to restart, or you don't go back to XFA. Now if they ever did, that would be any prop firm that did that would be legit. But no, I've blown a couple. I think we all blown accounts. I had to figure out sizing. I think back in February, I was good December, January. I was good November, December, January, just all I could tear. all the way through February. In the last week of February, just had like a 3-day losing streak. And you know how
Is that the time when you messaged me?
Hey man, went on till oversizing, man.
Yeah.
And I goes like, Louis.
See, that's one thing that I always respected about you, Jordan, is you're so similar to me, where it's like, if you go on tilt or if you have any questions, like literally to anyone, you're going to ask them. You know what I mean? Like, you're always willing to learn. Like, even when I was running my mastermind, you're like, yo, like, can I learn a piece of that? I'm like, bro, I love this guy. This guy's like, he has zero ego and just genuinely wants to learn, become better every single day. Like, that's the people, like, that's a successful trader, guys, in my eyes. If you are a person who just thinks you know it all, then you got to sit on the sidelines, take a breather, and then reevaluate yourself.
Yeah, man, it's forever learning, man. Forever, like you know how it is. Like coming from always gonna be fine tuning. I think of trading like once you become profitable, it's like an iPhone. It's like you still have your foundation of the phone, but the iPhone still goes to updates, right? Just to be more. I'm the same way. It's like I always want to be as efficient as possible as market adapts. So, oh yeah, man.
Holy, this trade, ridiculous. That went straight to the targets, the very last targets. And from this point on, guys, I still don't want to touch a short. There's no signs of reversal just yet. My only level that I'd be looking at is underneath 325, and we're 30 points away from that right now. See, I would love to just sit back and pick Ace's brain on trading and generally about him. Genuine dude, and not to mention my wife held his watermelon at the dad pad during last year's meet and greet. Wait, what? Wait, what? Phoenix, what? Is that real? Pardon? Did I meet your wife?
Held his watermelon.
Yeah, you couldn't attend. Oh, yes. Okay. I should have read at the dad pad. That didn't click. Yeah, that makes sense. I thought you meant the one in NOLA. That was a dope meetup. What are you in? I just closed 130%er. I'm actually empty hands on Marzies. That was my last PT, and we're still running past it. Like, I'm gonna remove that because we're no longer in that.
Caesar Monster.
Yeah, Caesar Monster. He caught the banger on stream. First day on Ace's Twitch. Thanks for the bull play, my G. You are a G yourself. Shout out to you for managing that trade. Just closed ES 5,400 to 54.75. Beauty 75. 13K across 3 FXAs. Let's go, Trunks. Man, y'all be printing. And just seeing the mastermind students now just taking their payouts, you guys are gorgeous.
Isn't the best feeling? How many students do you think that you've taught are like consistently making money and like on a percentage base, do you think?
Whoa. First things first. Caesar with the 5 gifted on stream. W's in chat, guys. W's in chat. And sorry, what did you say, Jordan? How many students do I think what?
How many students that have you taught that are like consistently like printing and making money on their own? Like,
so you know what's funny? Before I start every mastermind, I let them know, I'm like, knowledge is not power. Like, you've heard that before, right? Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. How many people do you know with a degree that are not in their field?
A lot.
Right? Because the only way that knowledge is power is if knowledge is applied. So knowledge is only power when applied. Therefore, me teaching you all this information does not guarantee you a spot at the top with the 1%ers of traders. Therefore, I can teach you everything in the world, and it doesn't mean shit if your ego is not checked at the door before you step onto that computer, that tablet, that phone, whatever the case is of what you're trading on. Right? So therefore, if you as the educators, stupid ass, the mentees, right, are learning all this information. You guys have to realize at the end of the day, that human aspect will forever be there for you. It's going to be there with you right by your side, on your shoulder, every single day. Even at me and Jordan's, right? Yeah. Even at our rate, where we have years under our belt, guess what we're still doing? We still have that psychological aspect that we have to fight every single day that we're in a trade.
Every day.
Right? Therefore, if you guys think that taking a mastermind is going to guarantee you those profits, but you've been doing the same thing day in and day out, Vinny, what's the definition of insanity? Right? So it doesn't matter how much you freaking learn if you're just going to keep blowing these accounts. You keep full porting. There's no trade in sight. All you see is a green candle and you're saying, man, it has to go long. Next thing you know, it flips red for 10 points and you're all out because you didn't allow for the ATR, which is set to 30, and you're full porting for 10 points, which that's just a simple retracement maybe. You could have been right, but the fact that you full ported, you just screwed yourself over.
Literally.
All I'm trying to say, guys, is to my mastermind students, I've let them know right from the get-go that if you want to be a part of the 1%, that's not on me, that's on you. I can hold your hand, I can show you the ways, but it takes how many trades to blow up an account? A singular trade to blow a whole account.
Yeah.
You can't unlearn stupid. You can't unlearn stupid. Right? You can be better. I've done it as well. I've had so many accounts, right? I mean, look at me in futures. I'm not going to cap to you guys. You guys know I always keep it a buck with you, right? Especially after I hit third place on Top Step, making 300K in a singular week. I haven't really seen a payout since then, right? I've blown multiple accounts because I've been treating it like, hey, you know what? I make all my money on options. Futures is just my fun little thing to do. No, but my alerts, yeah, I will. Why am I prefacing it? Not profitable? No. I make all my money on options. I've literally withdrew this year alone over $250,000 off of options. And I haven't been able to do that because obviously it's not an options market. So what I started to do now, obviously, is baby a lot of these accounts. I alert the bangers. Don't get me wrong. If it's an A+ setup, you guys see on stream, just like today, just like yesterday, just like this week, last week when we're on stream. It doesn't matter. I'm still going to alert the bangers. That way, everyone still benefits. All my students have been getting payouts, or a lot of them, sorry. Yeah, Amar has seen my taxes. He's seen my bank accounts. Amar has seen everything. So he knows how much I've made. But in terms of futures, we're going to lock back in, or I have been locking back in, sorry. And yeah, we're going to grind. And you guys are going to see the grind because we're going to be dropping those YouTube videos really, really soon. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to the YouTube, make sure to do so. It is at AceOfTradesss with 3 S's.
Locked. I'm going to subscribe.
It's close.
His taxes are what I make in a year.
You guys were yapping too much. I was taking that short.
Sorry. This is actually my level for a short. So if we can squeeze back under that base, I would say, I'll bring it to under 19.1. So that first one was 325, like I initially said when looking at shorts. After that, the next level for an add-in, so a second leg of this trade, is basically 95. If we can see ourselves under 95, we have a trade, and we do have a basing candle right here on a 3-minute, and then on
that's my second reversal level.
a 6-minute. That's where I can get a sexy base, right? We'll grab that full move too.
Damn, My reverse
right
low is
there,
at
and we just wicked
157.
off of it as well.
157. Damn.
So there is that base. We could potentially bounce right here. So that's why that next level is so much lower than that initial trade idea. And if you want to be extra secure, then it's going to be 19,080. Rams, where's Rams? He's sitting right beside me. Guys, shout out to the stream manager, my best friend, my right hand man, my everything.
He's overpaid.
Show your face. Hey, gang, what a setup. Guys, look at that production. Look at that production. Are you kidding me? It doesn't get any better. Holy shit.
That's so
We have
funny.
full production up in here now.
Oh my god, I'm crying.
That was so good.
Oh,
That was
man,
so
that's
good.
That's funny, guys. That was a good one. Holy.
But yeah, I went on such a tangent that I didn't even answer your question. I just realized I have ADHD really bad, Jordan. Yeah, so to answer your question, I would say like a good 15 to 20% of them are now successful and have received payouts.
By successful, he means like consistently receiving payouts also.
Yes.
Like not just one off.
Right. And I mean, honestly, that's a good rate. If 1% of traders make it and they take one singular mastermind and 20% of them have now seen payouts, shit, that's a good rate.
It really is. I mean, when you think about it, when you really know and understand, absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, like, dude, there's not a lot of actual traders that are successful.
Yeah.
There's people out
I
here
mean,
learning
guys,
paper.
look at Vinny. Vinny started with me as well. Look at Amar. These are big people right here that you guys see nonstop. Those were both people that I worked with when they just started their journey.
It's really just about time. Like we all like I don't have good streaks. Like I won't make money for like 2-3 weeks, and then it'll be a bunch on week 4, or I'll make money for 4 weeks and then I won't for a week. And so it's just about time and staying disciplined.
6
like,
setup my G.
not taking plays.
6 setup my G. Let's go. I need a funded account. LOL.
Huh?
Where to for first funded account? Where
Oh.
to for first funded account? You can go to.
Nice.
Does that not work?
No.
What?
Bro,
What?
ruined it.
Why is it not working?
I got you. Hold on. Stop it. You guys stink.
Everyone's just typing in chat. I didn't even type affiliate though. Oh, you did. I forgot that you're on my account. For a list of commands, it's like you guys are failing right now. There we go. Oh
There's
man,
the
what a
list.
fail.
There's all the options. There's
There's all the options for you.
Nobody sponsors us yet either. We're kind of cooked.
Yeah, guys, we literally pay out of pocket. Like, I'm not
For
joking. I
everything.
messaged DJ yesterday. I messaged Vinny. I messaged the whole Ace content group chat, which is a good 6 of us in there right now. And I literally told them, I'm like, guys, I don't know how long I can keep putting up these giveaways because I'm just literally paying out of pocket for all of these. But we still run them regardless. We're about to close off stream at 11 o'clock. Therefore, we can start to give away that giveaway. So if you are not on stream, make sure to head on stream because we are giving it to a viewer, not just an exclusive giveaway.
Jordan,
We're
you
actually
can win
giving away
this too.
2 things. We're giving away 2 things. One of them we're keeping secret because it's the first time that we're ever running it. And even if you weren't in chat prior, we'll still give it away to you. So
Can
I want
you guys
everyone on
show
stream right now. I
live
want to see these
positions?
numbers bump from 60 all the way to 80 because I know that there's 87 people right now on this stage. And you guys could win some juicy things. So don't worry about attendance
Somebody
for
wants
today.
you to show your live positions.
I can do that.
Yeah, where is it? Pull them up.
I can do that. Live position. I'm not in a trade right now. Is that
Yeah,
what you mean,
but
or like the actual?
I think they mean.
Like,
I think they mean
P&L?
in general. I think they mean in general, but just in case.
Yeah,
they
we can
mean
show P&L.
Just for the future. I mean.
Oh, that's
yeah,
not even.
yeah. Wait,
I
like
almost
you talking?
screenshot this.
You're talking about
I almost
like
screenshot
while
that.
he's in the play, you want to see his live trades
Yo,
on the chart.
Vinny.
No, we don't
Vinny.
attach.
Holy shit.
Yeah, don't do
Vinny,
that.
I almost screenshot this and put it on my stream. That would have been cooked.
Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. No, we don't attach
Holy
trading
shit.
view to trade evade. So I mean,
You
we could
can't
like
copy
make
trade on trading
we
view.
could make like a separate little screen to like I don't know, like what are you asking? Like you want the P&L while we're in the play? Like is that what you're asking for?
Figured he didn't live execute. LOL. We always do. We do it
Dog,
inside of the
it's not
Discord.
that hard. Oh my bad. I forgot,
We-
dude. You make the streams for us. I forgot you manage them. That's on me, dude. Sorry.
What happened?
This guy said
even
it's
know
not
what
that
Vinny's
hard.
saying.
I don't know what he's asking for, and he said, "Dog, it's not that hard. Show the trade live." What are you asking for though? Like the P&L? Are you
Just
asking
for
for like
futures,
trade
live
evade?
trade.
Like,
live
I
trades
don't
live
understand
on
what you're
chart.
asking for. He means, can you display your
shows his
P&L
position
entry?
Dog is-
Yeah, sure. Like he does. Like
I
I don't know.
literally
Like,
do.
like what?
We-
You're
We're
talking
not in a
about?
trade. I showed the R&R on
Nobody's in a
screen. I
trade.
literally showed that I closed the trade early because I hit my PT. I'm not capping out here. I'm not saying I made 200 points. I said, hey, I hit my PT. It was at 100 points, and we took it. The whole trade itself, say if I was on an XFA, and I'm not even saying, first of all, I'm not even saying that I was on real money today. I literally said I was on fake prop money.
Why are you
Did I
in
not
defense
chat?
mode, bro? Calm down. Okay. Well,
We're
let's
not.
get on
We're
with
just
the giveaway.
confused. I feel like you're just
I just
yapping.
didn't understand what you're saying, and then you repeat the same thing over and over, and then I asked you why or what you wanted, and then
I'm
you
just confused.
repeated the same
I don't know
thing
what's going
over
on.
and over again. So I don't understand what you
Look,
want.
another person on Twitch is saying the same thing. Yeah, that's not live executing. Oh, it's not live executing if I'm taking my own trade on my chart. Again, we don't offer financial advice. I'm not saying, hey guys,
Bro.
here, look at this entry. I need you guys to enter. You're a goofy.
bots.
Ban this person.
I'm so confused, dude. I just want to know what he wants. Does he want like the P&L or like? I don't understand. I don't know how
That's
you
not
want us
even
to
the real one.
display it. That's
That's
what
not
I'm
the real
asking.
one. Can you do it? It has to be on
Because
your
like
end.
we can't display it in Discord because we can only stream one screen. So like, do you want it to be like in a
We've
box
shown
on
live
Twitch?
P&L though. That's the
No,
thing.
I mean, no, we could make like a. I'm just asking. Like, we
Okay,
could make like a little
I'm not on live
semi-screen where we do like an overlay with the P&L, but show how Adidas is showing. I
It's
don't
live
know how
execution. What
Adidas
more do
shows
you
his
want?
position, dude. I don't watch his streams. Like, that doesn't help, bro. I'm done trying to reason with this guy, dude. Like, what?
So how Adidas is showing his position live like that? You are so soft.
So soft. Huh.
Oh, interesting. Sorry.
Interesting.
All right, bro.
Yeah,
Have a good
you
day.
have a good day too.
You too. Oh, this guy got timed out.
Like what?
Hey guys, let's take a step back. We're all here. I'm just confused. I don't know what's going on, Adidas. Adidas, also
Yeah,
nice to
I
meet
have
you.
no idea.
Can we bring
Yeah,
up
I have no
Adidas?
idea what's going
Adidas,
on.
are you free right now to chat? I have not spoken to you yet. It's nice to finally meet you.
Adidas.
Adidas, what
Actually,
is
crazy.
up? How are you, brother?
I'm pretty good, man. Nice to meet you, man.
Top tier
Do you know what this
rage
person's
bait.
yapping about?
What is he? What do you do? What do
I've,
you like? Put your
Yeah,
No,
what,
man,
what
I
do
don't
you
know.
do? Do you execute on TradingView? Is that why?
I'm gonna ping him and see. I don't know why. So I don't show.
He's
the,
timed out right now, so I don't know if you can even
Oh.
chat.
Yeah, you don't think you can pick him?
honestly, I have no idea, dude. I don't show my. I just narrate what I'm doing. So I'm
What?
not
Dude,
sure
that's
exactly
literally what
that,
you're
but
doing.
I'll,
That's
Oh,
literally what we do. And look, all I do is I show the P&L, and then I'll screenshot whenever I'm in a position to show what my actual number is. Like I'll literally do this.
you
Like,
do
hey guys,
more than-
my
you do
fill
more-
is this.
Bro wants you to push the button.
you
Yeah,
do
for
more.
real. This guy wants me to add his account to my trade sync.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, you know what? You should set up something where like you can screen share everyone's and enter for them.
Well,
Yeah.
the thing is like we can't do that in Discord with like what he's saying because you guys use Streamlabs and you guys like have an overlay, and that's why you guys can add an extra scene, but we can't do that. Like that's the
because
thing,
we're
is, like,
also on Twitch.
he's recording here. He's just streaming his screen, and then so I didn't know if he wanted it on Twitch or if he wanted like the P&L, if he wanted
I don't know.
like,
Someone else was yapping on Twitch at the exact same time that he was. I was just confused that whole time.
I don't know.
Like he said, why you guys big mad and going on defensive? We're not. We're just confused. We don't know what you're asking for. I also don't like when people ask the same question
50 times. Bro, this is so funny.
Add my account to your Trade of 8 group, please. Yeah, you guys want to be on my Replicanto or what?
You guys like want us to? I mean, we could do like an overlay of on Twitch of like just like a box of your P&L if you want. But
yeah, I mean that's what we were gonna do.
Yeah, I mean that's fine.
Me and Rams were actually talking about that literally this week because that's what I used to do. And
my
that's
bad.
what
We
we
just
do
thought it
whenever
was
we're doing
easier and
the-
cleaner for it not to be on there. But I guess if it's that big a deal, dude.
yeah, you guys just get less chart on stream and lots of Ace and Vinny.
Yeah, and yeah, you get less
Should we
of
make
both.
our cameras smaller too? Like I feel like that's big, no?
Those cameras
Oh.
are pretty big. We can put it in the middle.
I'm a dumbass. I was literally scrolled down, so it was half the chart and all our face. I'm so dumb, man. Anyways, I just used code ACE early on Tradeify. Let's go. Anyways, guys, it's time for giveaways. That was enough yapping. We got things to do, people to see. Adidas, nice to finally meet you, brother. I hope you kill it. So
You as
glad
well.
to have you here in Stock Dads. I mean, I seen you and Jordan together, and you guys are pushing numbers, so I'd love to see that. Giveaway time. Today we are giving away. What does Ace want to give away today? I'm gonna mute myself real quick. I'm gonna talk to Rams.
I don't know why I'm single on the screen. He said I'm gonna mute myself. Let's just put Vinny on the screen. STF, bro. STFs are expensive, yo. You can pass the account in like 2 days. The Giant City jersey, bro. I appreciate it. The City Connect, it's pretty sick, isn't it? I like it. I like the City Connect jersey. It's probably my favorite one that I have. I am in the Stock Dads. That is true. I am in the Stock Dads. Rage Bait 1. Yes. True. Give away that mini lamp on your dresser. Dude, I put it I had to put it back there. They wanted some ambient light. I don't know. I'm not prepared for this. I'm not prepared for this. No, yeah, we get it. You can give it out. You guys want the $15 Amazon lamp? If that's what you want. It's on my chart, my screen, which there's nothing. We had like a only longs today. That was really funny.
All right, guys.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Obviously, I prefer when you guys use code TPT because those are the easiest for me to give away because I can get credits off of those based on how much I make off commissions. And literally, we give back every single dollar and more. I literally step into my personal account to give away these accounts. But today, we're going to shout out someone new because we haven't done them before. So we are shouting out Tradeify. Hop onto my screen for a second, Rams. So we are going to give away a 50K growth. It is 1 day to pass. Resets are $85 and end of day drawdown, whereas the advanced is not. So I'm giving you guys better of the 50K accounts. And again, this is coming out of pocket. Okay. So I love you guys. Make sure to support your boy and we can keep giving away those TPTs as well. So code ACE over there. Code ACE all around the block, guys. post that link again, Vinny, of all the affiliations.
I can do that.
You're a beauty.
Maybe.
And yeah, guys. So we're giving away that, and we are giving away. We'll bring it up after this giveaway first. So first giveaway. There's the links, guys. Make sure to use those for all your affiliations. Okay. Use all of those. We got Tradeify, we got MFF, we got MFF, we have TPT. So use all of those to get the best discounts possible across the board. And let's get this giveaway going. What should we have them say today? Did I miss the giveaway? We're doing it right now.
Bruh, P&L.
P&L is
P&L? All caps?
Yeah. Yeah.
P&L, all caps.
Yeah, so I'm looking at what this guy thinks that guy wanted. And
Okay.
it's he literally just wants you to have your daily P&L on the screen, which is completely fine. There's nothing wrong with that, but that's not what
there's
he
nothing
said.
wrong. We can do that. We've
Once
done
you
that many
He said,
many
I wanted
times.
you to show the live futures trade. What does that even mean, dude? Like,
Anyways, back to the giveaway before we keep yapping about this guy.
bro.
If you are a subscriber, which is free to do so with Amazon Prime, guys, if you have an Amazon Prime account, it is free if you connect it to your Twitch, and you can get 1 sub every single month. You must be a follower to win. Is it follower only chat right now?
Yeah.
It is follower only chat right now, so you must have an account to win, and obviously type P&L. We are doing 2 giveaways today. One that we've never given away before. Technically 2. We've never given away a Tradeify account. Make sure to use code ACE and all those links right there that are pinned to the top of your stream chat. You guys can use any of those for the best discounts on all the best props. And if I'm not affiliated with that prop, other than Top Step, then they're bums. And if any prop owners are watching this and you want to work with me, DM, I need money.
Please.
Please
if you
sponsor
wanna
these
work with me,
streams.
do it now.
Please sponsor these streams. Please sponsor these streams. Not P and L. P and L. P and L. Not P and L, guys. P and L.
Yeah, just P&L. Like P&L.
No, not at. P and L. There you guys go. You guys got it now. Dope.
I want to win.
Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Adidas, for stepping in, by the way.
Penis
Showing love
L.
to everyone in here. Love y'all. 50K growth, guys, worth $139 and $90 with code ACE. $90 with code ACE. So make sure on Tradeify, which we're going to start doing next month, just like how we do with TPT, we're going to choose one day out of the week where everyone who's ever used code ACE will get an account.
No, we aren't. We're not doing that.
Hey, if we
It's
we
not
gotta,
true.
we gotta.
No, it's not
We
true.
gotta. Hey, we gotta. $48 entries so far out of 60 people, guys. We're missing 20 people for this giveaway. Please have an account. If you have a sub with us, again, free with Amazon Prime, then you get double the entries. So double the chance of winning.
How long have we been doing this Twitch thing? Like, I don't know. 2 weeks-ish, kind of. And then Ace
I
did
think
it 3 years
three?
ago for 6 months. and
Around
then-
third week, Finn? Second week.
Yeah, but no, third week, but
Second-
like
second
second
week.
week of
I
us
was off
doing
last
it
week.
because you were off, and then but also then you did it like 3 years ago for like 6 months, and so
Longer than 6 months.
and then
We
I
became
was in
partner.
part of that. Yeah, it's been I don't know. We've been doing this shit for
Yeah.
well then like our like the Twitch thing isn't new because obviously he has 4K followers, but the
I
multi-streaming.
mean, people
thing is
could get
definitely
if they
new.
have a big following, 4K is nothing.
Yeah,
right? Like
but,
imagine
I mean,
if freaking
technically
Max
you're
or
not-
J Dunn
you're not
stepped
in
in
a-
and started
Bro,
a
thank you
Twitch.
for the prime subs, fellas.
Thank you for the prime subs. Kellish.
Oh, wait, did he do it to where
Surfob.
the subs have a 3 times extra chance now?
Two
to
times.
win the
They
giveaway?
have 2 times extra chance
All
of
right,
winning.
subs. You have 2 times extra chance. It's free with Twitch Prime, by the way. To
Free.
all
Wow,
you gotta do is click that link.
Pop, guys. That
Oh,
pop. Like I said, that first initial trade, if we were to go short, was sitting at 325, which only brings us all the way down here to 107, the top of that base. And then we said the full entry would be what, 80 did I say, or 85? Regardless, no closes under there. We actually got to bounce off of that level into a full pop right now, where we are equal highs for today's session. Insane. Thank you, J.K. Nutson, for the sub with Prime. You are a beauty. We got 59 people left on the stage. We got 55 people left on Twitch. So we're running good numbers now. I like when it's equal, because that means everyone on the stage is showing love on stream now. You're muting, you're making sure you guys can be a part of those giveaways, chatting when you guys need a chat when we're doing attendance. Frank Jr. Nepa, shout out to you for subbing with Prime W. And you get double the entries. Guys, we'll give it same thing as yesterday. We're going to give it 2 more minutes, and then the last one will be at 11:11 for the second giveaway. 2 more
Also,
minutes.
I heard that Ace might, maybe when he hits 100 subs on Twitch, he might give away something crazy.
100. What are we even at?
73.
Oh, that's so lame. 75 actually.
That's so lame. Is that what you said?
Yeah, that's so.
You
whack.
want more? You want more subs?
No, I just remember the old days where I would be sitting at like 500 subs at once.
Yo, we're working towards it.
We are working towards it. I mean, I used to always get 300 viewers per stream. So back in the day was unreal for real, James. It was crazy. First time chatter, PNL, let's go Spaniac.
We're working on
Bring it back, plebe. We are working on it. Don't worry. Those streams will be crazy. Plus with the talent shows and the education on Fridays now, insane.
Dude, the talent shows and education on this Friday is gonna be fucking awesome.
The next one is an STF. I know it, man. If
I'm
we can
so
get the
excited.
streams big enough, they will give us STFs to give away.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
literally
I
all
don't
it has to
have.
be.
I don't make enough revenue with these companies to get a deal with them. I make enough for them to want an affiliation with me, but that's it. But I give literally you guys all the commission I make back with all these accounts. I'm for the people, okay? Ace is for the people. That's what you guys have to know. Also, Vinny, guess what? Fun fact for everyone on stream. Your boy officially quit vaping.
No way.
Yeah, officially.
Good for
We are
you.
officially cold turkey done vaping. So what I noticed was when I was in Mexico, I was only having like maybe 3 pulls a day, and my hair was nice, luscious, not shedding at all. I came back to Canada and literally it's like I have alopecia. Like during my showers, I'm literally pulling out, and I'm not joking with you guys, 100 strands of hair. Not 10 like a normal human being, 100. Like my hand is full of a glob. It's like someone
your immune
takes a
system where you got
female-
sick all the time. I guarantee you part of that was because of you.
Well, I
injecting
wasn't
the
really
vape
vaping
in
then,
your lungs.
to be honest.
Wow.
I only
Really?
really started this year once again, and 2024 I was doing it like very, very little. Before that, really never.
Some cap.
Time for
cap.
some Zins? Yeah, I'm gonna have
Hey,
to.
so let's do this giveaway. I wanna
Vinny
eat
just quit
lunch.
Zins.
I just quit Zins. I was on Zins for 5 years.
Yeah.
True story.
Nicotine and ADHD go hand in hand.
Let's run
real.
this shit. Let's run
All
this
right,
shit,
let's
Rams.
run it. Let's run it. Everyone who used P&L in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck and congrats to Kellish P. Do we got a Kellish P in chat? Type in chat right now.
Yeah, type here.
Type
Yeah,
here.
type here.
Here. Hey,
checking
good job, Kellish
checking
P.
the logs.
Congrats.
9:55 a.m. Vinny W ASPNL. We're good.
Yes. Congrats.
Congrats. I just sent you a whisper, Kellish. That way we can get
On
you
Twitch.
sorted
On Twitch.
on Twitch.
By the way, we're also running a second giveaway today.
And we are running a second giveaway, so don't leave just yet for all the viewers. I know that those numbers are dropping now, but we have a second giveaway for today. Let's make it. Word is Tradeify for today. And guys, make sure to use code ACE.
Tradeify.
Tradeify.
Spelled like that.
Resetting.
We're resetting it. Capital T, guys, all over. Doesn't matter.
No. It doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, spell it. Put how many capitals you want. It don't matter. It don't matter, guys. And using code ACE gets you 30% off. Is it still 35 this week?
35.
It's actually
25th.
Yeah, until the 25th, you actually get 35. So it's even better than the usual code ACE. You get 35% off. And guess what, guys? Tradeify is a beast. So if you liked TPT, guess what? There's almost no reason to use TPT now. The reason why is because Tradeify just came out with daily payouts.
It's not there's no payout window.
No payout window. Sorry, not daily payouts.
So you still need to meet the requirements, but like you know how they have like
What is it, 5 days?
or it's like 4 days, but 2 or 3 times a month.
Yeah.
They got rid of that. So anytime you hit the requirements, you can request a payout.
Okay, well, not daily payouts, but we just got it sorted. Payout window. No more payout window, which is a banger. So as soon as you meet those requirements, you can now receive your payout. Bro, this pop on NQ. I know we're at high of day, and we are currently sitting at our weekly value area high, obviously, because it's the high. Duh. But it's also our previous week value area high, too. So they're actually stacked. We got 2 weeks of levels that we're playing with this week and previous week. Once again, use code Tradeify. Or code Tradeify. Use the word Tradeify. Use code ACE on Tradeify. Frank Jr. Nepa, I don't know if I shouted you out already for the sub. Thank you to you. And everyone who has been supporting the stream, watching this far, and continuing to grow the stream. We're now sitting at 4,065 followers from last week's 3.96, 3.98, something like that.
Also,
And if-
Twitch Prime, double. 2% chance. Two times. 100% more chance to win the giveaway if you sub with Prime. It's true. That's how we set the odds. Twitch allows that. Ace, I'm going to DM you the link.
Yes, please.
It's in your DMs.
Check that message. Like to the winners.
Well, nothing,
You know
but
what I mean?
I can see, like,
Right.
so like I can just
How many
turn it
people?
off.
Okay, fair. Yeah. Why don't we do
It's
that every time there's a stream? As soon as they use it, we turn it off, and then we can turn it back on for next stream.
Well, no, I can't, because then that would kick them out. So it's just gonna stay on for right now.
Okay, fair.
But I can monitor who's in it. It's fine. Nobody's.
How many entries do we have, Rams?
34.
We have 34 guys out of 55 viewers. Guys, this one is applicable to every single person, and if you have a sub, you get double the chance. Again,
the side effects
free.
when I quit.
We're not telling you guys to
Zins,
spend money. We're telling you guys to connect your Amazon Prime, and it is free.
I got hungry all the time. My cravings were insane. But before, when I was zinning all the time, I was having like heart palpitations and stuff, and I couldn't sleep. It kind of sucked. That's why I quit, and then they went away.
Let's figure it out.
Okay.
Because I think we do have a better option.
Really?
Well, not like better, but I'll show you.
Okay. You show me after. Anyways. Kalish has now DM'd you. Ooh, let's see.
You gotta run this giveaway. How many entries we got?
How many entries?
35?
35 out of 54.
Yeah, my resting heart rate dropped hella when I quit Zins. Well, it's because think about it. The yield of nicotine you're getting with the Zin is like 60 to 80%. With a vape, it's like 15 to 20. So you're like injecting that shit into the nerves in your gum. It's not smart. It was bad. I should have never started in the first place, but I'm not the smartest. I don't claim to be the smartest.
Anyone? For sure.
Yeah.
Is mine still glitching? Yep. Why does it do that? You know, people complain all the time in their Discord about that. Oh, there, finally. I got it.
Live and learn. Truth. It's truth. All right, let's run this.
91.
All right, let's run it.
Let's run it.
Let's run
Let's
it.
run it.
Let's run it.
3, 2.
3, 2, 1. Bang. Who's our winner?
Seas Monster. Let's go.
Seas Monster. Is that the person who
That's
got
the one who
the first time on stream ever?
Where is he?
He's been here the whole time.
And he's
Where
been here
is he? He's
literally
been here
our
the whole time.
session.
Where
Our
you at?
whole session. Our boy has been here.
Where you
Type
at?
in chat. Type in chat.
Yo, Seas Monster. I know you're here.
Seas Monster. We know you're here. He's been here the whole time.
There he is. LOL. No
Oh,
what?
yeah.
He's here. He's here. Must be
Double
celebrating.
And Whisper.
What did you win?
1 second. So, the first giveaway ever of these right here, guys. So that way we can give you guys multiple giveaways and not just one. But we started to give away a free week at Stock Dads. So if you guys are already members here at Stock Dads, then you get a week added to your account. And if you are a GOAT, don't worry, we have something for you too. So don't be stressed.
Yeah, if you're a GOAT, we got you.
We can't say what it is until there's a GOAT winner.
Yeah, but we got you. Don't worry.
Seas Monster's having a great day. He made money.
I know. Seas Monster's having a great day. This guy made money. Now he's out here winning prop or winning giveaways. It's a good life for Caesar right now.
If you guys are still hanging with us in SD2, make sure to post and share your gains and tag Ace. Please.
Yep. Please enter and get those duckies.
Look at that.
A free week goes hard. I know. Guys, look at that cam right now. No one even asked for the cat cam. But he came in hot.
A free week goes hard. Yeah, we're going to be giving away a lot of free weeks. A lot.
Free week goes super hard. So always make sure to join the streams, guys. We do be checking attendance. Today, because there were 2 new giveaways, we didn't, even though technically both those people were here for the whole session. But that's that. Stock B said, what did y'all take? We took that long at the beginning of the day and we just held and rode. And then there hasn't been a play since. The only play is that potential long, which again, not enough squeeze for me, just not enough R to R, especially for a longer term play. We are not alerting scalps anymore, or I will alert the scalp, but I'll let you guys know I'm not personally taking them anymore. So yeah, I hit you up, Seas Monster. Message. Beauty. So we got both people.
What did y'all take? Ace took the long, and then I took just the 3-bar play after
The cat's
that.
cornhole on
One of the
screen.
props.
That's what we do for y'all. But yeah, that is it with the giveaways, guys. You know what we're gonna do next time, Vin? Let's surprise the people.
No options
And
today.
we're not gonna let them know when the giveaway is. It could be at the beginning of stream now. It could be in the middle of stream. But there will be giveaways regardless.
And that's gonna
And
happen
also,
tomorrow. We're
guys,
gonna be on 9 a.m. 9 a.m.
Not
Just
only
make
that,
clear.
I know we still have 50 people in here. So I'm gonna let you guys know right now. If you guys use code ACE on TPT, we are giving away those 150K accounts worth over $300 a piece. We've given away more than $1,500 of value this whole week of accounts, of memberships, so on and so forth. So make sure that you guys are using code ACE on TPT to get that exclusive giveaway. For everyone who's just a viewer and does not or cannot afford to use code ACE, don't worry, we are still giving those kind of peoples an account as well. So you guys still have a chance of winning an 150K account. And you know what we're gonna do? If you guys don't like the 150K accounts, because it does mean that you do have to trade a little bit differently than a 50K or a 25K, then I will give you guys that option as well. But that's on that. So make sure to use code ACE on TPT. Can we get a TPT in chat, guys? There's
Also,
the link for you.
The alerts for Ace are in stock dads. So
Yes. The alerts are on stock dads. For futures today, we did not type it out. It's kind of hard to juggle everything at once, guys. Being on stream, being on the stage, literally managing everything, managing my own position, putting the P&L on screen and the R2R on screen. So you guys just have to bear with me. All right, you guys have to take my voice. And for the people who prefer text chat, then obviously when I can, I will. But my main is just going to be whoever's at the forefront. But yeah, we will get better at typing out the alerts again. I only really type it out whenever it's an A+ setup. I did not take any options today, unfortunately, and the IV is actually decent. But hey, we can't catch them all, you know? I passed 6 props today, so I'd rather much take that.
no, you didn't.
Save my time.
No, you didn't.
Halfway
you didn't,
past.
Yeah, your P&L isn't on stream, buddy.
Oh
What are
yeah,
you
my
talking
P&L wasn't
about?
on stream. He's a capper. He's a capper. Oh my gosh. And
You're a
even though he
liar.
says it's fake prop money and not even past accounts, he's still a capper.
Yeah, dude. You clearly didn't make your 500 grand today, buddy.
Yeah, and what a goofy. Ace usually makes like 20K a day. This is stupid. Quick question, Ace. I didn't make the first trade in time for the whole move. Was in the stream and saw it, but what made you take that earlier than usual? That's actually a good question. We spoke about it on stream, so obviously you did miss it. So what we were looking at for that initial trade was a break of yesterday's session plus pre-market high. So our structure had now flipped, so a change of character. We were now above the orb as well. So we were targeting, or we were right around the orb, sorry, because it was right under. So what I was looking for is this right here. So I'm on my 2-minute. Here's our opening print, right, on a 2-minute. Our 2-minute print is already at equal highs to the afternoon session of NY close, right? Therefore, I want to wait for a break above that, which we got, which is now our midline of today's orb. We got our break. We had a continuation. From there, we finally got a retest candle where we got an entry. And then from there, we were able to run it. Right. The main thing that I was looking at, though, is that previous structure from yesterday where she kept hitting resistance. She blew through it fairly well. And from there, she could have ran all the way to its highs. And that's exactly what she did. So that was our targets for today's session, which sits at a 2 to 3 standard deviation, or 1 to 2, sorry, 1 to 2 standard deviation of today's orb. So hit all our targets perfectly, found our basing candle, found where she could potentially bounce, and we called it all on stream. So that's that, Jones. Anyways, that is it from me. That is it from Vinny. We hope you guys made money today. And if not, tomorrow is a new day. There is no need to overtrade. Once again, exclusive giveaways for those who use code ACE on Take Profit Trader, which has daily payouts. Daily payouts and no consistency. Guys, your money that you can potentially make is unlimited.
There is no amount of money.
There is no amount of money that you cannot make with them. So therefore, why not try to squeeze every single dollar out of them?
Unless they push you to live.
Unless they push you to live, which usually happens if you make a good chunk of money, and I've seen it happen to a
Yeah,
lot of people.
so it's not unlimited.
Literally first payout. First payout, I've seen someone take out 50K, move them straight to live immediately. Don't forget Amazon Prime, boys. It's free. Thank you, C's Monster. We love you. Anyways, we are signing off. Thank you guys for joining stream. We will see you guys tomorrow. Yes, a Friday. We will be here tomorrow on a Friday and giving away those exclusive accounts. I love you guys. Signing off. Ace of Trades out. Vinny, say peace.
Peace, guys. Love you. Sorry for party rocking.
Oh, yeah. No, I definitely need to leave.